The iPhone Air 2 is Apple's rumored second-generation ultra-thin smartphone, currently codenamed V62 and widely expected to debut in spring 2027, according to recent insider leaks from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, offering an early look at what could be the company's upcoming lightweight iPhone. The overall design looks consistent with the first-generation iPhone Air, which maintains its sleek frame and minimalist look. Apple is evaluating a dual setup combining a 48-megapixel primary sensor with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This marks a clear step up from the first iPhone Air, which shipped with a single 48-megapixel camera and no ultra-wide option. The iPhone Air May 2nd adopt a new COE display technology. The COE technology makes the display thinner and improves visibility in bright sunlight. This reduces power consumption, as the screen does not need to increase brightness as much. A slimmer display could also leave room for a larger battery. Apple might choose to utilize the extra free space with a larger battery. The handset is said to feature a 6.5-inch high refresh rate screen paired with 3D facial recognition. Adopt the A20 Pro chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.